Hi, I'm Marc Sievers, and welcome to my Paris adventure. Entertaining in Chicago or entertaining in Paris, they both have one crucial element needed for a lovely soiree, and that is a beautiful table. So when I'm in Paris, I love giving dinner parties or cocktail parties to friends. There always happens to be some American friends visiting that we didn't know our schedules were going to link up, and having come here for many years, I also have some French friends that live here. So it's really fun to get everyone together, open endless bottles of wine, and just sit around the table and eat great food, have good laughter, and relax. So tonight I'm giving a dinner party for a few friends, and I thought I'm gonna set the table my way. Eclectic, a little bit more colorful than I would normally do in Chicago, but I think this is so earthy, it's so elegant, and I cannot wait to walk you through it. So I first went to the flower market and found the most beautiful pink hydrangeas. Hydrangeas are one of my favorite flowers, and I thought those are gonna be perfect to build this table around and to add that beautiful burst of color. I also have some white unscented candles, both the candles and hydrangeas, no scent, you don't want it to compete with the food. And then I went shopping, my favorite thing. So I found these really beautiful placemats that have just happened to be the same color as the hydrangeas. And it also kind of is the foundation for all of the other things that I found. So here I have these beautiful plates. They're scalloped with a little periwinkle blue edge. They've got cracks in the glaze and chips, and I think that's perfect. So that's gonna be our dinner plate. And then at the flea market, I found these beautiful little kind of dessert or salad plates or even bread plates. I'm gonna use them just to kind of anchor the table and then take them away when everybody sits down, and then later on serve a little cheese on this for everybody. So that's perfect, and again, happens to be all in the same color palette. Then the largest lemons I've ever seen in my entire life that still have the beautiful green leaf, and it smells like lemon, and I think that's a wonderful way to welcome everybody to the table. So that kind of like a table decoration, they can remove it later, and I think it just adds that bright pop of color that I think is so great. And then at the flea market, I found these beautiful little vintage linens. So I just rolled this little napkin up, and I'm gonna set it right at the place setting. Very casual, no need for folding techniques or napkin rings, just et voila, very, very simple. Hotel silver, I found silverware at the flea market. So I went to the store, grabbed some silver polish, polished it all up, and it's perfect. So fork and a knife, that's all we need for a really simple supper. And then if you remember, I was showing you in another video all about breakfast entertaining. Here are these little cups that are back in business, these little pottery cups. They actually help hold yogurt in them, and I thought these were perfect to serve water in, and these are definitely coming back with me to Chicago. I can't wait. Simple little wine glasses, nothing very complicated. And then on one end of the table, I've bookended it with some taller hydrangeas and some wine. I have a covered casserole that I'm gonna fill that with roasted potatoes later and a little bit of tapenade for a dip. That's gonna be delicious. And then on the other end of the table, I just found this big, beautiful blue and white platter that was already in the apartment. And I thought, some hotel silver spoons, that's perfect. And then another gorgeous serving bowl. So all of these are gonna get filled with, the bowl is gonna have my fresh carrot salad. I'll link that to the video as well. And this platter is gonna hold my favorite tomato and fresh herb salad. I think one of my favorite recipes I've ever concocted. It's earthy, it's fresh, so watch for that as well. But here we are. This is a beautiful table. It's elegant, it's simple, it's colorful, and it's happy. I mean, how can you not be happy in Paris? Head over to marcsievers.com for more entertaining ideas. And of course, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, au revoir from Paris.